shopping and get my spy bag and spy gadgets. So we're gonna get in the car and go. We're here. Now, let's get on my spy gadgets. This one handy. Let's put that in. Get all these papers. Put them up like there. This and get this and get this. Let's also get this. This is our spy bag. Then we need, we need this too because this will be handy cool. Okay, Jasmine. Okay, give it to me. Here. Beep. Here. Beep. 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 Why are you getting all this stuff? Because it's spy school. Oh, okay. Beep. Beep. Let's go. Oh yeah, that all costs. Since you're going to the very special spy school, you're gonna get free. All that's gonna be free. Okay, here you go. You don't have to give me money. It's free. That means I don't give you any money? Yeah. Patty, yeah. We don't have to give any money. Okay, now we can put them all in my spy bag. We got my spy bag. Put all the stuff back in. Put it safe and sound. Okay. This. Put it in. Good. Now we are going to. Now we are going to put the papers in. Let's roll them all up. Da, 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 da. Now let's put it in. Oh, it's like there's not going to be enough room. You could put enough really clean. That. Now we'll do the pen. The pencil can go in this little spot. Looks like it doesn't fit. Wait. There. Now that will fit. Now let's put all the rest. And my earmuffs in. Wait, the papers won't fit. There. Now put it in. Put the spike. I think we'll have to roll it again. Or you could just fold it.
to back. Good thing I have a receipt. Here.
Oh, thank you. We'll put those back on the shelf.
Here's a seat. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, uh-oh. I think my bag is full. Guess we'll have to take this back too. Here.
Okay.
Here's this. I have two. Okay.
Now ready for Spy School?
Yeah, we're ready for Spy School. Guys, click right there if you want to see the Spy School video. Bye.